Ready? Yep. Hi Vic, we're all at Mario's, all your friends here, and we all want to wish you a happy birthday and to get well. So here comes all the crowd you used to work with. You didn't say something.
Hi Vicky, love you, love you, love you, get well, and hopefully when you get out the hospital we can all get together and have a little celebration for your new birthday. And I'm April 21st, so love you, happy belated birthday. Bye-bye.
You're still being
I know.
Hi Vicki, this is Brenda. Hope you're feeling better and hope we can get together sometime. Maybe we can all go back to Cracker Barrel. Love ya.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hi Vicki, happy birthday. You're 2 weeks old. I hate to credit you and I wish I was out just like you.
Perfect.
Hi Vicki, it's Lisa. If you remember me, I'm sure you do. I hope you're feeling better, honey. I didn't know you were going through so much. We all love you and hope for the best for you. I hope you're feeling a lot better than I know you're not right now, so I hope you get feeling a lot better. Love you, honey. Bye.
Hi Vicki, it's Sue. How you doing? We miss you. You need to get better so you can come join us the next time we all get together. Because we miss your crazy laugh. So, take care, get well, and we'll talk to you soon.
Hey Mickey Rose, Kim Jones here. I miss your girlfriend. Hey, we're all rooting for you to get well fast. So as soon as the Holy Spirit hits you and says get up from that bed, I want you to obey it. Get up from that bed and we're going to meet for lunch or dinner, whatever. Your treat, because I'm retired and I'm sure getting some money. So your treat and I want dessert, okay? Love you, girlfriend.
Hi Vicki. Hi Vicki, get well soon. We hope you're feeling better and we'll be out to dinner with us soon.
We'll be saying prayers for you. You feel better.
Hi Vicki, we sure miss you downstairs. Hope you're feeling better, and we're rooting for you all the time. You're in my prayers constantly, and I'll just keep watching your page and keeping up with your progress. You're welcome. See you soon.
Great. Okay.
Hi Vicki, this is Shar. Haven't seen you since we were here last time, and I hope you'll be here next time we come. Good luck.
First, do Lori first.
Are you video? It's recording. Okay.
Hi Vicki, it's Lori. Hey, happy birthday again. I wish I was 2 weeks old. There's a lot of things I'd go back and change, but anyways. But I hope you're doing really good, keeping you in our prayers and thoughts, and knowing you're going to do good really well. You'll be getting better really fast. And so when you do get better, we are going to come here to Mario's and we're going to have a great big party for you. So you take care, love you, and keep you in prayers.
Hi Vicki. I don't think you remember me, but I know you do. Anyway, it's good to talk to you, and I'm not very photogenic, but I really hope and pray that you get better soon and come back and see us. I will talk to you later. Bye.
Right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Feel better soon, Vicki. We miss you.
I love it.
2, 3. Go ahead, Susan.
Hi Vicki, miss you so much, love you, so happy for you. Can't wait to celebrate your birthday on April 17th next year.
Hey Vicki, I really miss you, Pumpkinhead. I got lots of work here for you, so get on in. And we love you and miss you and wish you the best.
Hey Vicki, glad to hear everything's going great for you. Miss you, love you. Get back here soon. We're lonely.
Go.
Hey Vic, miss you.
I have nobody to talk to about Survivor.
Hey Vic, miss you. I need to talk to you about Revenge.
Hey Vic, we miss you, we love you, and you are an awesome, amazing, strong person.
My heart's beating.
Hi Vicki, I miss you. I need you back here because I need my sparring partner here, so get better fast and get here. Who's that?
Hi Vicki. Just wanted to tell you I'm going to be a grandma again. Do you believe it?
Get well soon. Got lots to talk to you about.
Hi, Vicky. So glad to hear you're doing well. Get well soon. Miss you.
Hi, Vicky. We miss you, and we're going to celebrate your new birthday, April 17th. And it is like a robin. If you see in the AARP, the robin's article came. It says happy birthday and new birthday for her.
Aw, that's nice. Yay!
Yay!
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Get well
Okay.
soon, Vicky. You rock.
Are we on?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
Hi, Vicki. It's Collections Department. We just want to let you know how we've been thinking about you and hoping everything continues to go so well. I know I've known you for a million years, all the way since back in high school, and I'm always thinking about you. I'm not good at sending cards so good, but I definitely am thinking about you, praying for you, hoping everything continues to get well, and you get back here really soon. We miss you.
We miss you. Bye, Vic. See you soon.
Ready? All right, guys. You guys are live now.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine.
No, I'm just joking. We miss you, Vicky. Get
well.
well. Yeah, we need some help with visa, so hurry up. Get back.
Cut.
So 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hey Vicki, just saying hi. Hope you're getting better. I wasn't with the whole group this morning because I was at the doctor, but I'm here now. Just wanted to say hi. I love you. Get better soon. Bye.
Well, I think it's recording now.